is my special spot because this particular spot is my dark. People ask me all the time, do you use black? And I don't. I make my own black, and I'm going to what I do is anything that's left over, whether it's in my palette, I don't want it anymore. If it's on one of these cards and I don't want it anymore, I don't want to save it, I scrape it right off with my palette knife and it goes right in here. I don't care what color is in here. I want every color in here. And what happens now is I'm going to come into this and make a dark. And it's really simple to do because I already know that I have a whole lot of colors in here. All I have to do is swish around this whole thing with a wet brush and load my brush. And now when I do this, I'm going to have my dark, or what you also call black. And you can see how dark that is. That works every time. But I want to show you what that really is. So now when I take my brush with water and I start to open this up, you can see that's just a gray from that mixture. I can work just one corner of this mixture and it's going to be different. The color is going to be different. Oh, there was too much water. I'm still going to get a dark, but it's going to be very different dark than the one above it. That dark is made up and it looks very brown. It looks red. It looks maroon. I can come to another corner. I don't know what's on these corners, but just come to another corner. There's my dark. Some clean water just to open it up and look at how purple that one was. Remember, I'm only working out of here. I'm not sure what's on this side, but let's pick some up. I love this little thing. It's like my little magic dark. There's my dark. And look at that color. So I've gotten all those colors out of this little palette, but remember, my goal is not to use it like that. My goal is to come in here and smush around the whole thing and create that dark that I want. That's my goal. And that's how I achieve it. So it's a great way to use leftover paint. You don't have to get rid of anything. This thing will last me forever. I never cover it. It just stays sitting out in my studio.